Hey, we're back again. We're on the floor. I'm Joanna.
I'm Tiana, and
this is the Whatever Show.
This is
Whatever Show.
My arm was injured again from the first episode that we had.
And then it got fixed.
And like after 2 seconds, because I tried to catch a fly.
Yep.
Get out of my hair.
As you can see, we're in the kitchen on the floor.
Why, you ask?
Because I felt like it. Tomorrow we have softball tryouts.
Right.
So we're going to teach you how to play softball.
Leave
get
it.
a ball. Okay, we'll leave it. I get soda bread.
Okay. Okay. I've been playing softball for like 5 years.
We're ready. This is the ball. Okay? Hold the camera. Hurry up. Okay.
Me too.
Okay. This is how you throw a softball.
Ah.
And then you throw it back. There you go. Whoosh.